Hello, it's Wade. Wade's Unboxing. I have a quick little unboxing to do today, and it is the Sony SPK. I'm not sure if you can see it there. SPK-AS1. It is the first generation waterproof case. Let me see the price there. The waterproof case for the Sony Action Cams. And as you can see, the price was $49.99. I got it on a great deal because it was closing out. And it really is hard to find the case or a case, any case, for the Sony Action Cams. It's as if they're not producing them or they're going to get out of the market almost. As you can see, there's the side, the back, a lot of small print. And again, small print on the side. On the top, just have a picture of a skydiver and a skateboarder. And the case is supposed to be waterproof or water resistant. Water resistant, let me find the English here. Waterproof. You can see, just try to get the English there. It's waterproof up to 60 meters or almost 200 feet. Actually, it's 197 feet and it has the dimensions. So we'll just do a quick opening of the box. And like I said, it was pretty much a closeout sale that I found this at. From an online store. It was actually an online camera store. So in the box you got a little piece of paper with a lot of small language on it. Not going to worry about that. That'll go in the garbage. And you have the unit itself in a cardboard separator, and then it comes in just a little package. See if I can open this up here. It's not much, just kind of wrapped up a little bit. Let's just do that. And here is the unit itself. This is, like I said, the SPK-AS1, which is the first generation waterproof case. And I do have, what came with my case here was the second generation. You can see it's kind of scuffed up. Let's see if I can get the size. You can see the first generation is larger. It does not have the side buttons for control. As you can see, this one has side buttons for the control. This has no side buttons. The back is pretty much the same. And overall it's taller and longer. Not sure if you can see that. And if I try to line up the bottom, you can see the height difference. And the clasp is different on this one. It's, you pull it back and it kind of flips out like that. Where this one, you pull it back and it still kind of flips out. But this whole thing is removed. Well, it's on a little dongle, I'll call it. Oh, it falls off. And this one just is kind of on a similar dongle, but it's a small one. It's kind of more of a hinge. And this, the top, kind of just has a little simpler clasp, where this one, the clasp is above. And it has to kind of go up and in, where the other one kind of goes over and then down. So that's the major differences between this and the second generation, which is just the SPK-AS2 versus the SPK-AS1. And I got this so I could do my video logs, moto logs, and I got this one. I got a spare one because I'm going to plan on drilling a hole in the bottom in order to get an external mic into the Sony Action Cam, where I wanted to have one case that was not modified and it would actually retain more of its waterproofness. So I did pick up this extra one just for the for the modification that I'll do to it. Other than that, it's the same, and like I said, they're very hard to find. If you're looking for one, I would say look now, because they are really hard to find. And I got this for a good price. You know, it was retail $49.99. I think you got it for like around 20 bucks. So it's that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or comments, you know, leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button to be notified of the next video upload. It's Wade, Wade's Unboxings. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.